He wore a leather satchel stamped with rust and time, delivered acorn letters in a rhythm double time. Whiskers twitched at dawn, paws scratched the concrete maze, till one day he vanished where the mortar split and gave. The mailbox rattled bones, a flash of tail, then silence. He slipped into the unknown. Wall Street Squirrel, mailman of the void. One leap through the bricks where the shadows get deployed. No step, no return, just a legend in the cracks. He's racing through the wires, but he's never coming back. The sparrows swore they saw him in the neon's flicker glow, dodging subway echoes where the phantom critters go. They found his tiny badge nailed to a splintered beam, scrawled in walnut ink, gone to chase the unseen.